Today, we're taking a closer look at the Osmo Pro Vacuum. You might have seen it online claiming to be the ultimate cleaning solution, but the question is it really legit or is it just another scam? Let's break it down. Before we start, here's a quick disclaimer. This video is for educational and awareness purposes only. We do not promote or endorse any products or websites shown. All opinions are based on public information and red flags that may suggest misleading marketing. The first things that raised eyebrows is the unrealistic claims. The company says this vacuum can clean 99.9% of any surface. Honestly, no vacuum, not even premium brands like Dyson or Miele, can guarantee that across every type of floor. It's clearly an exaggeration to make the product seem perfect. Then there's the motor. They claim it spins at 100,000 RPM and operates at just 30 decibels. To put that in perspective, a whisper is around 30 decibels. High-powered vacuums usually run at 70 to 80 decibels because strong motors naturally make noise. So this whisper-quiet powerhouse claim doesn't really add up. The marketing doesn't stop there. The site says the Pro Vacuum is 7x more powerful than average vacuums, but it doesn't explain what average even means or provide any real test results. These vague comparisons are a common tactic to make a product seem far superior without proof. Then there's the pricing strategy. Right now, the vacuum is advertised at $600, discounted to $300 for today only. But similar models on sites like Alibaba or Amazon cost $50 to $100. That huge original price is likely just a trick to make the sale look irresistible. Even the Trustpilot rating can be misleading. The 4.7 stars look impressive, but many reviews could be solicited, filtered, or fake. Real customer complaints mention long delivery times, poor quality, and trouble getting refunds. And while they offer a 100% money-back guarantee, returning items to overseas suppliers is complicated and expensive, which leaves many customers frustrated. The terms of service also raise concerns. They disclaim almost all warranties, limit liability, and even reserve the right to refuse orders. That means if the vacuum is defective, delayed, or misrepresented, you have very little legal protection. Finally, the pricing itself is a major red flag. The exact same or very similar vacuum is available on wholesale sites for a fraction of the Osmo Pro's price. Marketing it as a high-end device when it's essentially a generic import bought cheaply elsewhere is a common dropshipping tactic. Dropshipping isn't illegal, but misrepresenting the product's value definitely is misleading. So what's the verdict? At the end of the day, it's up to you whether you want to buy it or not. I've just gone over some of the major concerns and red flags. If you're considering the Osmo Pro Vacuum, make sure to do your research and weigh whether the hype matches the reality.